I chose the welding program at Sheridan College because I really like to make sculpture art, and when I was doing my research, I saw that the welding program here was the best, so I wanted to go here.
Welding program is making sure you're field ready. It's full bore all day, but it's learning what industry wants. Our teachers do a great job. We got lots of nice equipment.
My goal when students graduate the welding program is that they've got the skills to get hired. When they come through this program, they're going to learn everything from stick, MIG, TIG, flux cord, all the processes, how to use a cut and torch, so that really they're employable in any career they go to.
The welding program is definitely helping me get used to the workplace and the work ethic here in the shop, because we definitely treat it like it is an actual job site.
Welding is not something you can learn by just watching it. You got to be hands-on. That's how you're going to learn, because when you're doing it bead after bead, then eventually you're going to be welding with your eyes closed.
We've got booths for every student. We got small class sizes, and we have all the material you need.
If you're a true blue-collar worker and you like working with your hands, Sheridan College is the place to come. They'll teach you, you'll get it figured out, and you will for sure be a welder by the time you get out here.